Dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can easily change language in Firefox. So for doing this you just need to go to the settings, and in the settings you need to find settings. In settings you need to choose privacy and security, and in privacy and security you just scroll down until you will see language. So sorry, it is in general, not in privacy and security. So just go. So here you will see under the zoom you will see language. So just click on it, and here you can also see 3 different languages. Also you can click on search for more languages, and here you can also wait until it will download some languages available nowadays, so just click on select a language to add, and here you can also choose some language, for example Italian, and just click on the add, and just wait until it will here you can see it will download this language, and here you can see that it by default become our usual language. So also you can if you want to have it like a default language, like main language, it will must be first here in this list. So if we for example want to have English like default, so we just choose English and just move up English to the first position. So here you can see that it successfully become our first language. So this is how it works. After, just click OK, and it will successfully change your language. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.